This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I just want to show you a new functionality we have. We've just introduced it. It's called PRA Forms, and it's essentially an online form builder to help you make your form submission and everything more efficient for when you're registering horses or changing owners, etc. At the moment we just have 5, but we're looking to increase that over the coming months with new forms from Racing Australia, Racing Victoria, Queensland, etc. But to start with, to get there, you go over to your top right hand corner, your profile section, click PRA Forms, will take you to here, select the form you want, and the real benefit to this initiative is that all of the information that is contained in Prism gets automatically uploaded to this page, and then you can create your forms in a PDF format, get the signatures from the owners, send it in. So if we look at our horse list, if I go down here, here's an unregistered horse with the owners already in there. Now when I want to go and register that, go into the registration form, type in the name. All the information then starts populating here. Select female. Select the trainer. Select the name you want. Any other details you need to add in there. And then the owners are already added in, so you can see owner 1, 2%, address. Just make sure all these are checked and the right information is in. You can select to make these people the managing owner if you want. So another owner, their percentage, another owner, their percentage. Make this George Harrison the managing owner. And you can navigate between the owners here. So there's a jump to section. So it takes me down to Jamie XX 10%. Once you're done, you can also add a new owner here if you want. But once you're done, you simply click print. The system then compiles that information and puts it into this Racing Australia form. So you can see all this is pre-populated. It's all ticked. Name. Amount, and then you've got all your owners here, their percentages, their signature. If you find that something's incorrect, so for example George Harrison should be a hobbyist, you can simply go back in, go up and find George, click that, go back down, print it, and it'll update that form. So you can see now that that's changed. So you get them to sign and then send it all back in. Same process applies for these other forms, change of owner. Again, select your horse, input the outgoing manager's name, all the relevant information that relates to each of those forms. Change a share manager, change your contact details, and everything just spits out into a PDF, which you can then sign and send on. If you're not a Prism user, you still have the benefit of online forms through the website. It's just not as efficient, but you go here, go forms, and same process, except you then need to add these items in manually. It'll still spit out the relevant form, but you do need to fill that out manually through this online process. It does make it a little bit easier, but obviously there's a significant benefit to using the system within the Prism platform, because it means that you're capturing all the information within Prism and then automatically populating those forms back out to whatever is relevant for each of those individual forms. if you've got any questions, or if you want to see some additional forms added in, please let us know at support@prism.horse. It generally takes us a few days to update the forms, but by all means, please just send them through. Cheers.